Hi, these comments are for JK, and this is my free writing evaluation for you. I read the essay. I'm looking at it right now. I'm thinking probably between 22 and 24 points out of 30 on this. So you need to do better with the unity and the coherence of your ideas. I will tell you in a minute what you can do there. So when I look at the rubrics, displays unity, progression, and coherence, though connection of ideas may be obscured. So I think that kind of describes it here. You have good control of your sentence structures and vocabulary and your sentence formation. However, I want to show you something here. When I have Microsoft Word look at your writing, let me show you what I see here. Yeah, I see a grade level here of only 10.4. Why is that? You're having your average sentence length is only 18.7 words. Characters per word is 4.9, which is actually not bad. Try to increase this one more character to 5, and then the average words per sentence, you want to get this closer to 25. I think that would help you. Okay, so let me show you what I'm having. So you have to illustrate this matter, I will discuss my experience with various educational scenarios. But it's not just discussing educational scenarios, it's explaining why it's a good or a bad idea to pay teachers based on how much they learn. You said before, a teacher's competency and abilities are not directly correlated to their students' performance, right? Then you say in the next paragraph, at the previous high school, good and bad teachers had similar or average grades, right? But then you're saying it may be more to the student's effort. So this topic sentence here, I mean, you need to think of a better way to say that. You might say, first of all, students put varying amounts of effort into their studies. So teachers should not be judged unfairly for that, right? Or you go to the next paragraph, I believe attendance is an important topic to be taught, but when it comes down to it, let's see what you said. Every class had mandatory attendance. People tended to work and study aside from, you can't correlate teachers' performance. Students do not comply to their methods, but it's just, there's not enough of any one specific detail in there to develop that. I'm going to take you to 22 on this. That's what I'm thinking right now. So again, you don't really have a topic sentence that connects back to the thesis. You don't have a sharply focused thesis to help frame your body paragraphs. Then you have bias. When you say another factor most fail to account for is bias in a teacher's evaluation. So you're saying that the evaluators maybe can evaluate a teacher because they don't like that teacher, right? So they may give it a negative, inaccurate evaluation because of bias. But when I read the paragraph, there are no statistics to compare if an exam evaluates. You say, moreover, another professional. I don't really see anything about bias in there. So you're not progressing. You don't have good unity to what you're trying to say here. So I think that the main thing here, if you make 3 changes, I think you can improve your writing a lot. Number one, this introduction here, you need to get this closer to maybe 100 words in terms of raising the topic, and you need a more sharply focused thesis. Number 2, you need more clearly framed topic sentences in each of these body paragraphs, right? And that's going to give you better overall coherence to the writing. Number 3, you need to get more specific with the details in these body paragraphs here. We need details here. There, we need some here, and some here. Notice this one paragraph, you develop it to 82 words, but you're just talking about things in a very general sense. There's not a lot of specificity into the writing. So that's why I'm putting you in the 3 range and not the 4 range on this particular essay. All right? And thank you for doing the practice test.